Right, so in question 2, we're told in an arithmetic series the sum of the first term and the fifth term is 0 and the 13th term is 20. So when you see the word sum, you might be inclined to sort of start thinking along this sum formula here. However, in this question, they're quite precise, aren't they? They're saying the sum of the first term, so T1, and the fifth term, so T5. So we can literally write the sum like that, okay? First term and the fifth term, the sum, so we add them, they're saying is 0, okay? And they also say the 13th term is 20. Okay, so T1, first term is just A, isn't it? Okay, so we know that. T5, well, I'll put it in there, so you've got A plus then 5 minus 1D is equal to 0. So we can tidy that up a bit and we get 2A plus 4D is equal to 0. We could then maybe divide through by 2. So A plus 2D equals 0. Okay, we divide through by 2. And then that means then A is equal to minus 2D. Okay, so that's equation 1. We can then sub it in then to equation 2, yeah? When we establish that. So the 13th term is 20. So A plus 13 minus 1 times the difference is 20. So A plus 12D is 20. Now, so we call that equation 2. And as we did before, we're going to sub in 1 into 2. So minus 2D here for A plus 12D is equal to 20. So 10D will equal to 20, which implies then that D will equal to 2. So we found the common difference. That's what they're asking for in A, and they're asking for the first term. Well, the first term is going to be really easy then, because if you sub that back into 1, A will equal to minus 2 times the difference of 2, which is minus 4. Okay, so in B then it says calculate the sum of the first 20 terms of this series. So we want S20. That's what we want there, yeah? Okay, we want to find out the sum of the first 20 terms. Well, we know A is minus 4 and we know D is 2. So we're going to use this formula, okay, here, the sum formula. So sum of the 20 terms will be, okay, n over 2, so 20 over 2, bracket 2A, so 2 times A. Now remember A is minus 4, we worked that out, plus then n minus 1, so 20 minus 1 times the difference, which is 2, close bracket. So we just use that formula there, which is the case then of simplifying the terms in here, so we can work out the numerical answer. So we have 10 there, 20 divided by 2 is 10. In the square bracket then, well, I get minus 8 there, 19 this becomes, isn't it? 19 times 2, okay? And then, you could obviously do this in your calculator, okay? So we end up getting 300 for the sum of the first 20 terms there.